So we've been talking about goal setting the way fearless agents do it. You know, one thing to do is take your goal. Let's say your goal is to do $640,000 a year. Your average sales price, like we talked about in another video, happens to be $400,000. 640 gross, 320 net, 40 transactions a year. You break that down. How you're going to do that? You're going to take weekends off. You're going to not work on Saturday or Sunday. You're going to only work on weekdays if you're full-time. You're going to schedule 5 listing appointments a week. You're not going to get off the phone until you do that. And you're going to share that goal with everybody you know. Tell them you're going to do that, because it will force you to do that, because then people will say, hey, how are you doing on your goal? Okay. If you say you're going to do something to everybody and you don't do it, then you'll feel bad about it. So I recommend that you share your goal. Don't keep it a secret. And go to fearlessagent.com. Watch all of the videos on our website. All the free videos there are going to be much better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money. That's my guarantee to you. You can always call me toll free day or night at 480-385-8810 and have me do a complimentary coaching call with you. I'll probably do it right when you call me, or if not, we'll get back together at a later date, later time. But I'm always very good about picking up the phone. If you are a real estate company owner, and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch that video, and then give me a call, and we'll see if what we do would be a good fit for you in recruiting as well. You can go to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. You can sign up right here at fearlessagent.tv, subscribe to that. Any way we can help you, we'd love to. And let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.